Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I'm going to get my present.
Wait, look at Davia. Good morning.
Good morning, Davia. Over here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Come on.
Rainy. Are you coming? Get up.
Take her. Just take her.
Don't record me. No.
We're waiting.
OMG.
We got presents.
Mary.
Oh my goodness.
Look how many presents we have. That's a bunch.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Santa Claus rocks.
Oh my goodness. Mama. My goodness. Look, I think didn't Santa Claus last night, we were talking to him. He was saying, these are all Jocelyn's, right?
I think so.
Oh my goodness. All these are yours with that letter. And I don't know. What else?
I don't know. She's got to keep looking.
We had to help him last night. We had to ride and
This is Daniel's.
Whoa.
but get yours, mommy, get yours.
I'm going to open this one.
Set it down in the
Mama,
window.
Lucy's doll.
Oh my goodness. ¿Tu papá estaba llamando? Good morning. ¿Tú se despertaste ahora? Sí. Sí, toda la cosa y quietita. Let's see what else. Let's see that box.
This one's heavy.
Oh. Just
Oh my goodness. Get it. Let's get you up. Get it.
A Nintendo DS?
Oh my goodness, you see? He hurt you. Oh my goodness. Acá esta. No para que pueda cogerlo.
I'm going to open this one.
Oh, that was at Titiveros. Santa Claus, he picked it up at Titiveros and he brought it here for you.
This is what I always wanted too. Thank you, Titi.
Oh, what is that? Crayon?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's neat. I like it.
I like it too.
Okay, let's see what else.
This one. More Lala Lucy's.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's Lala Lucy's again.
But what is it?
Lala Lucy's.
It's a game? No, look. It's a game. That's good. I like it. Mommy, don't worry about the paper. Leave it there and then we get it all together.
Open this
Hey, I know.
Get.
games with it. Oh.
What is it? The game. And what else? Is that the charger for your game? Oh my goodness.
We're taking this one.
Good for you.
Let me over use this one.
Go ahead, break it.
I think she has to go potty.
Oh, she has to go potty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Wow.
New clothes.
Oh my goodness. Go potty, mommy. Go potty.